Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Yardi employee account. First, open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, bring up the search bar and type in Yardi employee login and hit enter. Make sure that it takes you to the official link. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to a new interface. Here, at the right side of your screen, you can see the sign-in form. Now, what you need to do is just enter your email. Similarly, enter your password over here, and once you click on the sign-in button, you'll be able to access your account. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.